Okay friends, it's time to get started on replacing our rear tail lamp assembly. To do that, you want to have your tailgate open, and you're going to want to gain access to your two Phillips head screws. Remove the pair. Now we're just going to grab onto the assembly here, and we're going to give it a little tug towards the rear of the vehicle. If it doesn't want to slide out, you can continue on using a trim tool along the forward aspect. All right, now that that's out of there, let's continue on to our wiring harnesses. Now for these, all you want to do is carefully grab onto this, and we're going to turn it counterclockwise. Go ahead and pull that right out of there. The next thing you want to do is give your bulb a quick inspection. If it needs to be replaced, now's the time to do it. Remember, the green harness goes along the bottom. Let's do the same for the upper harness. Quick inspection. Set that aside. There it is, friends. Okay, friends, now it's time to install our tail lamp assembly. Let's have a look at the back. You're going to find that you have 3 alignment points. All 3 of those need to line up with the alignment points on the body of the vehicle. Now, once you've had a look at that, let's continue on with our wiring. I'll start with the top harness. We'll put this in place. It can really only fit in one way. Once it feels as though it pushes in a little bit, you can go ahead and turn it clockwise to lock it in. Double check them to make sure they're both secure. Now we're going to align our alignment points with the body of the vehicle. Go ahead and press that in. Lock it down with your 2 Phillips head screws. Make sure it's nice and secure. Okay friends, we got the tail lamp installed. What's left to do now? Now of course you're going to want to test its functionality to make sure it works perfectly. Thank you for watching.